guys are really saving the day here.
Put him somewhere nice.
That's a bird?
Don't put him there.
Nah, leave him here. Just what's wrong with him, bro?
You got hit by the fan. So I was pushing the cart and I just got here.
You think he's gonna die?
I don't know, man. He's kicking pretty fucking good. Usually he's dead by now.
Usually they're already cut in half. Or
But I should go get some worms or something, dog. Feed him. They like
no, let him just. He just needs to get back going.
Yeah.
I think his leg's broken. That's why.
Oh, the poor guy. Alright, well, that's not good. Somebody must have broken into this car. Damn. He's gone! He survived the encounter, right? Faraz is in mourning because he misses him so much. I don't know if this is alive or dead. I don't know, but...
Yeah, that's the tree frog, man.
A tree frog?
Yeah.
Woo! R.I.P.